Hadian basawngut ki MLA kila dep ban peniaso ailad bakaseng BJP hanong ba Delhi hakasi palay jong katayo kinong yalam jong BJP Meghalaya kila pediang so bahaya kini kinong mikmat ka jylla haka office rekam jong BJP bat hakani ka jui ka sengi lapan benaru ya ka kerteng jong kinong yalam ka BJP kiban kemi bat penia ya ki kam kijam jong ka seng na kabenta ka election MLA arhajar arfulai ka BJP Meghalaya kala pediang buram ya laingut ki MLA jong ka jylla ki bakenthop ya uba Himalaya Sangpliang u Benedict Marak ka Ferlen si Sangma bat yo MLA Clemseng u Samuel M Sangma hak balai dan langru u Presiden jong BJP Meghalaya uba Ernest Mauri uba AL bat uba Sanbor Sulai ka Ferlen Sangma kala keno ba ka NPP hapo ka jingelam jo Konrad Sangma kala le bam sutnyo bat Kim Jukhen snap yaki haba kidanglong kinong mikmat jong ka NPP bat day halor kani ganong rem bakila mino na ka NPP ban peniaso no bat kaseng BJP kat ba u Benedict Marak uloong ba nadu bula sa awengno kum chief executive member jong ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kata ka GHADC ulakwa ban mino na ka NPP namar hadu menta umla bantip balay ka NPP kala wengno yu kum CEM nakaliang uba Ernest Mauri uloong baka party ka ibet hakaray jong kinong yalam na Delhi bakin dangdon haka sorkar MDA ni kin mino na kani sorkar sendrop bat ka iaka jing start jong kinong yalam ki bakli do bat ya mentahi kidang ap ya karay jong kinong yalam na Delhi hakabay day baka jing dawa ki paidbah ban pentri kamno ek inaline permit ILP ka jylla nakaliang uba Sanbor Sulai uloong baka jylla kan yo ek ILP lada ki paidbah ki ailad ya kay BJP ban thaw ka sorkar uba Ernest Mauri ula pentip ru ba ula dep ya keren beginong yalam ki bahakli du jong ka BJP halor ka jing dawa ban penrung no ek katien khasi bat garu ha ka 8 schedule bat ka sorkar pedeng kadang song bisar halor kani kamat jing dawa
it is open to everyone that it is a predetermined plan by the party against us. So it is quite meaningless to hang on to the party but till the end we have been so patient, we have waited for the term to come to an end and it is time for us to move on. You know, it is not an overnight decision, but it is a long drawn, conscious move so that we can also move on. As we are all already a committed leaders, we are a committed representative of our respective constituencies. So we have our own responsibilities to move on. That is the reason we have to look for a better and bigger platform to serve and deliver the people of our respective constituencies in particular and the people of the state in general in a much better way.
I don't know why he sidelined. That's the main question first. But he didn't give the answer still, not yet. See, I have joined NPP since from long back time itself because of his father. We love his father. We know his father, how he work, how he do everything, you know. But see, after his father left, what he have done? See? He's saying that last time election, he said what? We don't change. I don't think so. This is wind of disaster, I think.
The changes that we want to bring in the state, the development that we want to give to the people, there is a lot that we should be doing for the state. The roads and communication that we want to bring bigger roads, we want to build bridges, we want to give roads to the rural areas. The PMGSY right now is also not extended to most of the rural areas. We would like to see an extensive development of rural roads in the next 5 years. And we would like to bring medical colleges, engineering colleges, wherein the youths of the state would get an opportunity to study in these colleges instead of going outside the state to study. Getting seats in medical colleges and engineering colleges have become a big pain and big problem for our youth. If we have our own colleges, it would be a lot beneficial for them. We would like to bring a lot of development for the rural areas as well, wherein we would like to give rural housing for the poor. The JJM would have to go in a more larger scale, though it is being implemented now. We would like to see every household getting a water connection. We'd like to see many other developments in the health sector as well. We need good hospitals in the state. We would like to have a massive cancer hospital coming up. We'd like to a lot of schools to come up. In fact, government schools, government colleges should be coming up. Therefore, if I count the list, it is endless. There's a lot of things for us to do.